Speaking about Virchow, the father of modern pathology, who states the basis of all disease is injury to the cell, what do you mean when you say the body's cleaning up on a cellular level? And what will I go through when this happens?
Well, the body's made up of approximately 60 trillion to 100 trillion cells. And each cell is like a mini factory. And the byproducts of the mechanics of a cell is carbonic acid, which is a very acid-forming gas. And when we exhale, we're giving off carbonic acid. But there's something that a lot of people are really not focusing on. In order to clean your body up on a cellular level, you have to stop doing the things in your lifestyle from a physiological standpoint that causes this problem. In other words, if I'm doing drugs and eating a bad diet and eating late at night, if you want to do something that's going to go down the road and lead you to inflammation, eat late at night, every night before you go to bed. And what happens, you're going to have undigested food. You're going to have fermentation in your stomach. You're going to have gas in your stomach that's going to prevent your body from releasing the endogenous carbonic acid gas from a cellular level. And if you get engorged enough with these gases, it's going to cause inflammation. And I label toxemia as the pressure of matter that is destructive to tissue. So you have to realize that we are the cause of our own problems are in our lifestyle. That's the problem. We have to face what we're doing to our bodies to cause our bodies to become sick. Genetics has something to do with it. Your genetic predisposition, the triggering mechanism is in your lifestyle. Once you start to address lifestyle changes and you start to realize what causes us to have pain and all these other problems, and a lot of it has to do with our lifestyle, and that includes the atmosphere, even the chemicals in the dry cleaning chemicals in the clothes that you're wearing, the chemicals in your household, the chemicals that are in our food, the growth hormones that are in our food. We're ingesting all these things into our system, and your liver is a filtering organism. It provides over 500 different processes, but the main process is a filter. And if you will start to overwhelm your liver, you're going to start to run into problems, and these problems are going to manifest itself in your body as degenerative disease. If you correct your lifestyle, if you start to leave out the things that cause all these problems, your body has God-given remedial capabilities to run itself. Your body knows exactly what to do. The whole problem is we have to stop doing the things that interfere with this process, and many times we're doing it in the name of science. And we don't realize there's a lot of junk science out there. There's a lot of abstract science out there. There's a lot of anecdotal information that's being interpreted as science about a story about some guy that went to the top of a mountain. He stood at the top of the mountain. He yodeled and barked at the moon, and he got better, and he told somebody about it, and he claimed he got better from a disease. I don't deal in that stuff. There's a lot of things out there that are becoming available in newsletters. The bottom line with me is what works. And as I said before, I've seen over 30,000 people. I've seen lots of people. And what I go by is what works. If it don't work continually, all the time, that means in spite of all the studies, whatever they say, it's not going to work. If something works on a regular basis and somebody says it hasn't been proven, that's what I go by.